My windows are covered in ice, but we've got the little boys with their little fake race cars now. This one just seems to be driving around in circles. I don't know. And then there's another car just sitting over here. They've been doing that for 20 or 30 minutes. Because I usually just ignore them. But the thing is that these cars are all designed to make a lot of noise. So they just drive around in circles to do noise campaigns. Because these are little fuckwad boys with their little pretend race cars. See how they're just sitting there like that? And it's not going to be very thrilling for them to just sort of drive around in circles in a parking lot. They're just sitting there. That's the second noise campaign of the night. Now, these people are all pussies, so they're not going to go out in the cold and get cold to do harassment. They're going to be in their nice warm cars. There's a group of 4 of them that drive around here. That may be one that just went by. Yeah, I've been harassed by them over at the strip mall that has the Fred Meyer and the hardware store over on Federal Way. Yeah. People in Boise are assholes. What can I say? You can't see very well because my window is iced over. I wiped some of it off, but you drive around in circles again. These cars are always red or black. Yeah. And so now I'm going to go back into ignoring mode, not paying attention to them. Because why? These guys are all Twatnozzles.